it's me, Yoshimi. Nice to see you again. And today I want to talk about computer. Are you good at computers? Okay. Please ask me the same question. Actually, it depends. For some part, I'm good at computers, but for other part, I'm not good at computer. For example, I think I am good at using words and making sentences because I'm doing translation. I know kind of like how to make documents using words, but I am not good at using Excel. How about you? Can you use Excel? Alright. And yesterday, my friend gave us a lesson for Excel. Yeah, online. And we learned Excel together. And it was fun. Yay! So at the beginning, when she showed us her document made by Excel, it seemed really difficult with lots of numbers and lots of symbols. You know, no, I didn't tell you before. I am not good at math. Math was the least favorite subject. How about you? Do you like math? If not, we are the same. If you're good, wow. You're so great. I'm not good at numbers. So at the beginning, Excel seemed really difficult, and then I thought I was in the wrong place. So I took the wrong lesson, I thought. But when I learned how to make, how to use Excel, like put some meaning in each cell, then Excel automatically calculate and fill in the blank with the answer number. And then it was kind of like magic. Wow! It calculates by itself. And Excel was so smart. I didn't know that. And so everybody in the lesson was, wow! Why we didn't use Excel? Why we didn't know this function? So most of us, maybe, we don't know the most useful or most fun part of Excel if you don't like it. So, how about you? Do you want to learn Excel? I like it. So let's keep on trying, and then we can do many things in near future. Okay, then thank you so much for talking with me, and I'll see you again. See you. Bye.